Hey folks, Jeff from Coalition here. I'm excited to introduce you to our newest feature, Coalition Multi-Quote. Our goal with multi-quote is very simple. We want to make it 3 times faster for you to create quote options. And 2, we want to give you a great side-by-side comparison doc so you can easily show these options to your client. Let's hop into the demo. I'm going to show you what it looks like to create these 3 quotes at once first. So we'll go into a pre-filled quoting form. I've gone ahead and already filled out the information. The right sidebar here will pre-populate for you. Right now, to start, we've got a $500, $750, and $1 million option. This is really driven off the company's revenue. The bigger the revenue, the higher default options will give you. So let's go ahead and show you what you can do here. If you want to adjust the retention or limit for any of these, it's as simple as dragging it. Price will automatically update. So this makes it really easy actually to discover an array of pricing that you can present to your client if you have an idea of a target you're trying to hit for them. If you don't want to submit any of these, let's say you didn't want to do the million, just turn it off. If you want to pull it back, click it again. Really, really easy. For anything that's going to go to review, I'll make this limit really high here. Let's call it 3 million. We'll indicate that for you in yellow and show a provisional price. And if you see here, submission requires review. Our goal with that is really to make it clear so that you can try to find things that don't need review. Obviously, the higher the limit, the more likely that it would require review. Okay, so let's go ahead and submit these quotes. So you can see here on the quote checkout page, you've got all 3 options. Option 1, option 2, option 3. If you want to visit any of them, you can click the option. And if you want to go ahead with the bind, just simply click here. We lay out the details. If you want to see total price, we'll show the premium and surcharge breakdown here. It's really that simple. So let's go take a look at option 1. Click here, and then in the files, you'll see this new document. Let's go ahead and download it, the multi-quote comparison, and we'll open it up and take a look at it. So the first thing you'll notice, we've got some nice branding explaining the value proposition of Coalition and active insurance overall. We really think this can be a selling point for cyber insurance generally. You'll get a breakdown of the options here with the total price. And on the second page, we'll give you the full breakdown of coverage, sublimits, subretentions, etc. You'll get the prepared date, the expiration of the quote. They're good for 60 days typically. And a really nice, simple, easy table to go through with your clients and show. One thing to highlight, business interruption and extra expenses. Instead of showing the sub retention here, we go ahead and show the waiting period. Again, that's a differentiator of Coalition, a very short waiting period. So one of those things we want to help you highlight. All right, well, that is the new multi-quote feature in a nutshell. We hope it makes you more efficient and sell more policies. Thanks so much.